Hello and welcome. You are watching
Beyond Breaking News,
where the news is of the people,
for the people, but
by the youth.
by the youth.
I really enjoyed all the bulletin and I could see the efforts behind all the bulletin and the development of the news. Honestly, I am overwhelmed and I just wish you all the best and I congratulate the parents कि आपने अलाउ किया कि इतनी खूबसूरत चीज़ों के लिए आप इन्हें encourage करें.
Can you please give us your feedback for the bulletin?
Actually, I am overwhelmed to see you guys, reading the bulletin, going on to the ground, curating the news, and also delivering it at strength. And I really fascinated with the fact that you really got into all the segments of the news. Firstly, you gave me the tour of the city where the garbages are there, dumping yards are there. Again, you have given in the morning time the lot of good food stories, which craved me for the food and the beautiful and delicious dishes. And another thing, you gave me the segment of tech. So I love the bulletin so very much. It was well curated, well performed and well organized in the technical front. The editing was superb, the delivery was nice, and I also love the glimpses of your, behind the scene. That's beautiful.
Bulletin was very nice and every student has done with a confident.
प्रोग्राम इज वेरी गुड. बुलेटिन बहुत ही अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छी लगा, बहुत सुंदर.
खूप चांगलं वाटलं.
खूप चांगलं होतं. नवीन काहीतरी भेटलं स्टुडंटला बघायला आणि शिकायला.
सारे टॉपिक्स जो थे बहुत ही क्लियर और वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड थे एंड बच्चों ने बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से आंसर दिया और मैं बहुत ही प्राउड हूँ कि मेरी डॉटर ने भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया.
बुलेटिन फार छान होतं आणि मुलांना प्रोत्साहित करणारं होतं.
द बुलेटिन वॉज व्हेरी गुड अँड एक्सलेंट.
बुलेटिन खूप बहुत बढ़िया लगा.
नाइस प्लॅटफॉर्म. आय रियली एन्जॉयड इट.
बुलेटिन खूप छान होतं हे. बुलेटिन इज व्हेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह अँड इजी टू अंडरस्टँड. इट हेल्प्स पीपल टू स्टे अपडेटेड.
बुलेटिन ये बहुत ही अच्छा यानी डिफरेंट ये लगा मुझे.
जो देखा है वो हम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि इस तरीके का ये प्रोग्राम होगा.
बुलेटिन विषयी खूप चांगलं वाटलं इथे येऊन.
बुलेटिन वॉज व्हेरी गुड. इट वॉज बियॉन्ड इमॅजिनेशन दॅट आर स्टुडंट्स, आर चिल्ड्रन कॅन डू सच अ वंडरफुल रिपोर्टिंग. इट वॉज रियली वंडरफुल.
It is indeed a privilege to be a part of the certificate distribution ceremony of the students who have successfully completed their hands-on training of the TV news presentation and the production course at the St. Xavier's High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur.
What do you think about a studio?
Studio is awesome. I love the energy. I love the positivity. I love the small, planters you put, and with a lot of light, green chroma. Was well settled and there are a lot of technical aspects you have taken care of.
Studio was nice and you got all the supports from the team members and they have give you the good guidance and you have learned many things in that studio.
Studio is very good.
The studio was something very new for us which we experienced it first time.
बहुत अच्छी लगा.
स्टुडिओ खूप चांगलं म्हणजे खूप चांगला एक्सपिरियन्स होता. पॅरेंट्सनी पण म्हणजे आम्हा लोकांना पण कधी कशा पद्धतीने होतं हे सगळं तर ते माहिती नव्हतं, ते माहिती झालं. खूप चांगलं वाटलं.
स्टुडिओ की अरेंजमेंट बहुत अच्छी है.
स्टुडिओ चांगला होता. काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. नवीन इन्क्रीमेंट बघायला भेटले आम्हाला, अनुभव चांगला भेटला.
मैंने फ़र्स्ट टाइम ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है स्टूडियो, और बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल था और बच्चों को रियल टाइम एक्सपोजर भी मिला है.
स्टूडियो भी वेरी नाइस. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस किया.
द स्टुडिओ वॉज अमेझिंग.
हमको जितना जानकारी नहीं था स्टूडियो में क्या होता है, अभी जानकारी मिला.
The studio was well organized and really I feel very overwhelmed.
स्टूडियो बहुत अच्छा था.
स्टुडिओ इज वंडरफुल, इमेजिंग.
स्टुडिओमध्ये तर मी पहिल्यांदा गेली. स्टुडिओ इतका छान म्हणजे सेटअप होता.
Studio is well organized and professional. It has a good environment and proper equipment. It is different for me and new.
स्टुडिओ अमेझिंग स्टुडिओचा आहे. इथे जो फोकस दिला आहे स्टुडिओचा खूप छान आहे.
स्टुडिओ इज व्हेरी गुड. The atmosphere there is very good. It is encouraging for the students.
The Ryan Group, through Ryan TV, created and conducted Beyond Breaking News, training more than 3,900 young journos. The BBN course helps offer students yet another career option, aiding in the all-round development of these youngsters.
What message would you like to give to the management?
I appreciate the initiative. I appreciate the thought. I also wrote in your feedback book that, media or the journalism is the fourth pillar of the democracy. And when I see that the management is thinking of curating and creating the such talent who can contribute in the building the democracy, that is a beautiful thing. And I really congratulate management for this thought. This is a very, very inspiring, motivating thought, and young minds, you are building the young think tank. That's a beautiful thing.
It is a good thing that management is doing such a wonderful things for the students at this age, which we didn't got the opportunity to do, but these students are getting this opportunity because of the management and chairman sir.
So management has given a good opportunity to all the students to grow in a media career.
Management is fantastic. Team management is very good.
It was a good initiative and congratulations to all the one who were involved in it. But they should not just stop here. They should continue this program in future also.
सगळ्या मॅनेजमेंटचं अभिनंदन करते आणि सगळ्यांना थँक्यू म्हणते आणि असेच उपक्रम पुन्हा व्हावेत अशी आशा बाळगते.
मॅनेजमेंट चांगलं आहे, काही सध्या तरी कंप्लेंट नहीं है.
मैनेजमेंट ने बहुत अच्छे एफर्ट्स लगाए, उनका हार्ड वर्किंग और बच्चों को ये प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया. स्कूल लेवल पे उन्होंने ये चीज़ें सीखी है नई, तो इसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोगों ने बच्चों को इतना मेहनत से ये सब सिखाया.
बच्चों को काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस दे रहे हैं.
Thanks to management, to Ryan TV and all teacher staff.
Thank you, Chairman sir, for this wonderful platform which you have given to the students. I think these kind of activities really enhance their public speaking. And one good quality which I came to know from my child is truth really has power. So this is proved from this event. So I thank once again Chairman sir that these kind of activities and platforms are given to the children, and that is the reason why the Zevrites shine in every field and every corner of their life.
मॅनेजमेंटबद्दल बोलायचं गेलं तर मला मॅनेजमेंटबद्दल खूप चांगलं आवडलं आहे.
मी मॅनेजमेंटला हेच मॅसेजेस देईल की याच्यानंतर पण अशाच प्रकारचे कोर्सेस घ्यायचे ज्यामुळे मुलांची प्रगती होईल.
I think the overall management is good and thank you to everyone.
इतना बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है बच्चों के लिए कि इन्हें हम सोच के ऊपर हो गया है.
हा BBNचा कोर्स मुलांसाठी हेल्पफुल झालेला आहे. काय करायचं काय नाही आणि त्यांचं स्टेज डेअरिंग पण वाढलेलं आहे. खूप छान मॅनेजमेंट झालेलं आहे.
Kudos to the Ryan and Xavier schools. I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. And my heartiest congratulations to the students. I hereby declare BBN course 2026 at St. Xavier's High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur closed.
This is YJ Shana.
And this is YJ Aditi.
This is YJ Rinza.
And this is YJ Sanskruti.
This is YJ Apurva.
And this is YJ Yanika.
This is YJ Vedant. And this is YJ Sumit. This is YJ Riddhi. And this is YJ Sharvari.
This is YJ Harshvardhan.
And this is YJ Neil. I am YJ Jayesh.
And this is YJ Turunu. This is YJ Abhishek.
And this is YJ Priyanshi.
I am YJ Sharanya.
And I am YJ Vaibhavi. This is YJ Himani. And this is YJ Sanika signing off for Beyond Breaking News. where the news is of the people.
By the youth.